Alright, quick update on the RX8. I did a couple little bits and pieces today. I'll show you guys. So I pulled the oil cooler off of it. It was destroyed. And when you start this car, I mean, the oil is just pissing out of it, right? This line's got a fairly good kink in it, but I think it's still holding oil. I mean, I'll know when I put the new cooler on it. So here's a good look at all our damage, right? I took the bolts out of this fender, and you can see this, you know, it's been stress relieved, right? And then this is all of our damage right here. So we need to get this and, you know, pull this back out. We're gonna have to weld this back together, you know, straighten everything out. Let's see, what else did I do? I fixed these brackets here, and then on this side, all the brackets for this oil cooler here, I'll show you guys. They were pretty bad. I mean, they were pretty destroyed, really. I spent a good 10 minutes like straightening them up. I'll show you how they came out. This is our top, that top right. I mean, this thing was destroyed, right? Obviously, it was bent just like the rest of the car was. I fixed the top of this and the bottom of it. These were all broken, or you kind of just tweaked the wrong way, right? I got a new horn. I went shopping on today's Sunday. I went shopping yesterday at the breaker's yard. I got a new horn. I found one fog light. Got the headlights, all the little nuts and bolts. Fender liner. This is the back half of the fender, like the main piece of the fender liner. There's another piece that comes down and hooks into the, like onto the front bumper, which they didn't have, but I ordered from Mazda. Closeout panel. I took that grill, even though it's somebody screwed a front number plate into it, so it looks kind of shitty, but it's a grill. I got all the little bumper bits. Closeout panel. This is the bracket for the driver's side that the bumper clips into. I'm sorry, passenger side. These, I'll show you guys this. This is the passenger side one. It's broke. So I ordered this from Mazda. I ordered both sides directly from Mazda. And it's a little cover that actually sits like this. So it sits over the oil cooler and kind of directs the air through the oil coolers. The passenger side one's completely gone. And that one was broke, so I just ordered those right from Mazda. They were $24, I think, each, something like that. And then I ordered the front lower fender piece that I'm missing from Mazda too. I did find a front bumper complete, an R8 front, or R3 front bumper complete. It was not cheap. It was in Houston, Texas, and delivered to me. It was expensive, but it's complete with all the grills, all the plastic, both fog lights, everything. But it was worth it. It was like $750 delivered, so it was expensive. Still way better than buying a new one. Let's see what else. I did order the clips. So this side skirt, you can see here it's kind of half hanging off. A lot of the little clips are broken on it, and I think that some of the little plastic bits that, you know, are plastic welded onto this skirt are broke. So I'm going to take that off, fix all the little tabs, and then I ordered all the little clips that are broken, you know, OEM Mazda ones. Let's see, other than that, that's pretty much it. That's the update. It's pissing down. I was gonna bring my truck over and hook up to the back of it and start doing a little pull on this. But it's you can see, holy crap, it's pissing. So I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna bother doing any metal work today. I might get my porta power out and give it a couple of pushes from the backside, see how it does. I'd rather pull it though. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know if I'm going to do any metal work today or not. So quick update on the RX8. Alright, I decided to keep going, even though it's a shitty day. So, I'm not going to pull it. I'm going to start pushing it from behind, just using a porta power. I'll show you what a porta power is, in case you don't know. I got a couple of different Rams. That big one's a 10-ton. And this kit comes with a little 4-ton in the middle. I just always use a 10-ton one, because it doesn't live in the box, so it lives outside, right? No big deal. Let me show you the damage. So, hopefully this is going to come through, but what we really need to do is probably get into this corner and then just spread this out, because we want to work from here out, right? This is where we have the room, right? This fanner's all loose. So we want to start here and try and get this piece out. Yeah, I know it's split. Right, we're going to weld all that back together, no big deal. But we want to start here, start moving this out, and then from back up in here, we want to start pushing forward. And those two actions should result in this piece coming this way and up a little, which, as you can see, that's kind of what it needs, right? This should be sitting about here. So we need to come left and up, just a touch. I mean, you can bend that with your hands, right? But you can't bend both pieces at the same time, right? That's gonna be difficult. And you can see there's a kink here, pretty bad kink right there. So we want to work all this out if we can. And yeah, I'm just gonna take a go at it with the Porta Power, and we'll see how we do. You guys get the idea. It's hours of this, so. Living that fucking auto repair life. It looks a lot better. A bunch of different little dents I gotta work out. Some are high, some are low. These need straightened. This needs welded. This is probably gonna need a little bit of weld on it. Yeah, maybe. I have to put the lip back in here and close this gap. Take the measurements from the other side, measure to this side. I got to pull the other headlight out too, so I can get accurate measurements. Yeah. Just keep working the kinks out of it. That's all it is.